So I was paying Lyle a visit today to give him a brake booster for my car, which is right there.
I was telling you about that horn.
And we have another Thunderbird Club member here, Chuck,
and he says,
who's got this beautiful maroon colored 64.
Yeah, yeah, that didn't work.
And this thing is absolutely stunning. So I just wanted to shoot some quick video of it while we're out here. But we've got these skirts that are on there. And he's got a really nice set of wheels here. I still need to get a set of hubcaps or something for mine. Lyle is in the process of putting a new door panel on this car that we got from the Bird's Nest, which is a Thunderbird parts dealership nearby in West Lynn. I just went there the other day for the first time to pick up the brake booster. Really nice place. Hoping to do a video there at some point in the future, probably when I go back to pick up the carpet. But this is an absolutely gorgeous car. I never get tired of looking at that nose. That's why I picked the 64, because I just love that nose.
It's the only one of the 4, 5, and 6s that has the name on it.
Yeah, and I really, really like the lettering. I love it. Now, Chuck, you said you got this car about 5 years ago from Tennessee?
Yeah, I'll tell you exactly when I got it. Let me get it right.
Oh, well, look at that script. Boy, oh boy. I believe these are stock wheels. Chuck was telling me about these earlier. And I'm guessing the interior is stock here?
Yep. I don't know if this is when I bought it or when I got it to Oregon. It was July 6th of 2017.
Now, did you buy this off like online, or?
I was searching online, and it's a dealer, or it's a guy that deals in antique cars back in the mountaintop.
And you had it shipped here?
No, I drove it here.
Oh, nice. Do you remember how much you paid for the thing?
Too much.
But for a fully restored car that runs and drives, I'm guessing you probably paid 20, 30?
More.
Between 20 and 30?
Yep. And it does. It just purrs.
Yeah, it's freaking...
The only thing I don't like about them, they don't like to pass up gas stations.
Ain't that the truth? I still don't know exactly what kind of mileage mine gets. I've only driven it once. About 10 miles to the gallon?
Yeah.
Nice. And with that ethanol-free gas that costs like $7 a gallon, that doesn't help anything.
I don't burn that.
What do you run on this?
I go to Costco and use their 92 octane gas.
That's the premium, right?
Yeah.
Do you put any kind of treatment in or anything, or
I haven't.
Just the premium and it runs just fine?
Yeah.
Cool.
You know, I don't even run premium anymore, my T-Birds. I go to there's a couple places that sell just leaded gas. It's about 40 cents more a gallon, 30 cents. That's okay. I don't have no carburetor problems.
There's that gas station out there in North Plains. They have that here, what they call pure gas. And it's about, well, now it's probably close to $6 a gallon.
Yeah. I tried to find some ethanol-free thing for gas for my car over there, and I called and called and called and spent a whole bunch of time on the internet and all sorts of stuff. Found one place in town that had the ethanol-free gas, and it was about $6.50 a gallon.
Ooh, my, that's high.
Yeah.
Yeah, go to North Plains, the Chevron station.
Oh, yes, that's where I went. Yeah, the North Plains one. Yeah.
I tell you, that kid.
But I've heard that if you just put premium in it and put some of that STP in there, you know, every once in a while, that works too. I don't know for sure. It's just that's what people on the TBird Facebook page are saying.
I like to go over to his house some night, cut his fart muffler off.
Yeah, I'll bet that gets annoying.
Well, because he goes by here at 6:30 in the morning,
Yeah.
and he loves. Anytime he backs off onto it, they crack.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So he cracks over there in his corner because he lives right over there a block away. So he starts it up and he revs it up, and you hear it crack a little bit from here. But then when he gets up here and it backs off in that corner, you hear it really rap, and then it really raps here in this here corner. And while, you know, that's our bedroom window. I says, you know what?
That would be absolutely infuriating.
Oh.
That's when I was a kid. We had Hollywood mufflers, glass packs.
Now, is this the old door panel or the new door panel?
Old.
So you're taking the pieces off of it, and this is going to go on the new one?
The new one, yeah.
And the new one is from the Bird's Nest?
I got it through him, but he had to send out for it.
Oh,
I think
okay.
it came from Larry's down in California. He says, I can give you a discount on the mirror, but he said, I can't give you a discount on the panels. Your club discount.
Yeah, I'm waiting to get some carpet from him.
Twice I've had this up in the air at different places, and the guys that looked at it said, oh my God, who did this exhaust system? And I said, I don't know, somebody back east. He said, it's the best system I've seen. I said, yeah, it's really nice.
Have you had to get any work done on this at all since you bought it?
No.
That's pretty cool. So just regular oil changes and that's about it?
Oil changes.
Oh.
And they did
Boy, that must be nice. I wish I could do that with my car. Maybe someday.
I did the wheels. That cost me. But I do. Come over and see my hubcaps. I'll clean them up. They've been gathering dust.
Yeah, if they look anything like these, I'd definitely be interested in them.
Well, they're not like these.
I mean, are they similar?
No, they're not like spokes.
Oh, okay.
It's a full hubcap. Covers the whole wheel. They're about that big around.
Okay. Well, send me a picture of them. Anyway, Lyle's busy doctoring the car right now, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. Just wanted to give the viewers a really nice look at this car. 5 years and hasn't had to do anything to it. I'm so jealous. But it is a beauty. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.